Hi, little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a fun playground. Are you ready to create a place full of fun and games? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a slider. Follow along as I draw it step by step. Here's the main slide. It's where we'll zoom down. Now, let's add a ladder on one side. This is the ladder we climb up to reach the top of the slide.
Wow!
Perfect! Our slider is ready for fun. Next, we'll draw a swing cradle. Let's start by drawing the bar that holds the swings. This is the bar. Now, let's add 2 hanging cradles. These are the swings. Imagine swinging back and forth, feeling the breeze.
Cool!
Lastly, let's draw a seesaw. It's such a fun playground toy. Here's the seesaw. It goes up and down as we play with our friends.
Awesome!
Our playground is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with the black marker to make our artwork pop. Look at how nicely our playground items are coming to life. They're ready for playtime. Now it's time to color. We'll use rainbow colors to make our playground vibrant and fun. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
Wow!
And lastly, let's use bottle green color to draw some grasses on the ground. Wow, look at our amazing playground. Great job, everyone. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Keep practicing and exploring your creativity. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.